Hello student, we go over L7, evaluate polynomials using syntactic division. Okay, so here we go, let's start it. So pay attention to, we need to find g of 1, okay? So this number 1 right here, you rewrite number 1 right here, exactly right here, the same, okay? So it's the same. So make sure you take the same. Okay, now look at the coefficient over here. But let's double check if there's any missing term. So v square, v, and then constant, so there's no missing term, all right? So the coefficient right here, number 12, so I put number 12 right here. This is negative 24, I put right there, and then negative 11. Okay, so I draw this little line over here, I leave a little space. First step, you move down number 12. Okay, you want to find a number right here. Very simple. You take number 1, you multiply with 12, so come out 12. Add together, it becomes negative 12. So now, similarly, you want to find a number right here. So you take number 1, multiply with negative 12, it come out negative 12. Add together, become negative 23. 23. So negative 23 equal g of 1. Okay, and negative 23 is remainder. That's it. Okay, so I put the answer in the box, which is negative 23. Voila. All right, let's do the next level. Okay, so similarly, I draw these lines down. Here we go. And then this is, you want to find g of negative 5, all right? So I take the same of negative 5, I put it right here. So check if there's any missing term. U square, u, and then constant, so no missing term. So here's your coefficient 7, I put right here. 38, I put right here. And then 32, I put right here, okay? Draw the little line, make sure they leave a little space. First, I move down number 7. So negative 5 times 7, negative 35. I add these two numbers together. I come out at number 3. So now I need to find the number right here. Very simple. I take negative 5 times 3, negative 15. All right. So add together, it should come out at positive 17. And positive 17 is equal at g negative 5. Okay, 17 is a remainder. Okay, here we go. In the answer box, I put down 17. Submit. Voila. Now, let's do the next level, which is level 3. Okay, so check out missing term. So V4, V third, and V1, and then constant. So you're missing the V square, okay? So if you're missing this term V square, the coefficient has to be 0, okay? So now draw the little line over here. Negative 4 right there. I put negative 4 exactly right there, okay? So now let's fill in these coefficient, number 7 right here. Negative 28, and then the next one had to be this 0, okay? 0, and the next one is number 5, and the next one is negative 32. Okay, draw a little line right here, leave extra space. 7, move down. Negative 4 times 7, negative 28, okay? So add together, it becomes 0, okay? Let's find the next number right here. Okay, I take negative 4 times 0, which is 0. Add together is also 0. Okay, now I want to find a number right here. So I take negative 4 times 0 again, which is also 0. So when I add together, it comes number 5. Okay, now I want to find a number right here. So I take negative 4 times number 5, which is negative 20. So I come out at negative 52. So negative 52 is a remainder, and this equal f of negative 4. Okay, f of negative 4. So I put my answer in the box, negative 52. Voila. Okay. So pay attention to the missing term. Okay. So let's do one more. Over here, you can see the missing term. Okay, take a look over here. This is t to the 4. This is t squared. So you don't have t to the third. Okay, t to the third is not there. So the coefficient of the t to the third has to be 0. Okay, right there. So now I draw this line. You want to find p of 1. So number 1 right here. I write number 1 right here. So let's fill in those coefficients. Number 5, I put right here. This one I have no coefficient. It's negative in the front, so it should be negative 1. Okay. Oh, okay. First, I have to put the coefficient of TQ, which is 0. So let's take care of that. Here we go. TQ is equal 0. So I put 0 first. And now, the next coefficient is for t squared, which is negative 1. And the next one is 10, the coefficient of t. And the last one is the constant number. Okay? So I draw this line, leave extra space. First, I move down number 5. 1 times 5 become number 5. 0 add with 5 become 5. The next number right here, I take 1 times with 5, also number 5. Negative 1 with 5, that's a positive 4. Okay. Next number right here, I take number 1, I multiply with 4, so that's a 4. Add together equal 14. Okay. Next number right here, I want to take number 1, I multiply with 14, so I put 14 right here. Negative 4 add with 14 is positive 10. Okay. So this is equal P of 1. And number 10 right here we call remainder. Remainder. Okay. So the answer is number 10. So pay attention to the missing term. Okay. If you have the missing term, the coefficient of the missing term has to be 0. All right. Next one. Okay. We should go to level 4. Okay. Level 4 is right here. It's not a big deal. But check out if there's any missing term. We have no missing term. This is y to the 6th, y to the 5th, y to the 4th, y to the 3rd, y squared, y to the 1, and then constant. So no missing term. All right, perfect. Here we go. So this is, you want to find f of 3. So number 3, I put right here. So let's fill in all the coefficients. Number 4, I put right here. Negative 21, I put right here. 34, I put right here. Negative 24, I put right here. 11, I put right here. Negative 7, I put right here. And the last one is negative 22. Not a big deal. Draw the line. First, I put down number 4. I take 3 times 4, become 12. Add negative 21 with 12, it become negative 9. Negative 9, I think so. All right. So now I will need to find this number. I take 3 times with negative 9, come out negative 27. Okay. I add 34 with negative 27, it come out 7. Okay. Now I want to find the number right here. I take number 3, I multiply with 7, become 21. Negative 24 with 21 is negative 3. Okay. My next number is right here. I take 3 times negative 3 become negative 9. 11 negative 9, that is positive 2. Okay. Next number I want to find right here. I take number 3. I multiply with 2, which is number 6. Negative 7 plus 6 is negative 1. Okay. Next number I want right here. I take number 3. Multiply with negative 1 is negative 3. So negative 22, add with negative 3, negative 25. Okay? And negative 25 should be equal f of 3. Okay? And again, negative 25, we call it remainder. Remainder. Okay? So the answer is negative 25. I put negative 25 in the box. And I submit. All right? Ah! What number? What is that here? That's not correct. Negative, oh, negative 25. I wrote negative 25. Yeah, but when I entered in the box, I did not put negative 25. I put only 25. All right, my bad. But let's do it one more time. Okay, so make sure you write the correct answer. So I love this one. The reason is, let's check the missing term. This is z to the 6th, z to the 4th. So you're missing z to the 5th. All right? So the coefficient of the missing term is 0. All right? So make sure it's right there. And then you have z to the 4, z cubed, z squared. Ooh, it's missing z to the 1. All right? So we don't have it. It's right here. All right? So it's missing right there. So now, let's draw this line. First, you need to find f of negative 3, so I put negative 3 right here. Okay? So let's fill in all the coefficients. Number 3, negative 26. Ooh, the missing term. I keep forgetting the missing term. All right? So 0, I put 0 first. 0, put it in. Here we go. The coefficient 0, I put it in here. Okay? And then negative 26. Okay? The next one is number 10. The next one is 18. And the next one is the missing term 0. Okay? All right? And the last one is negative 6. Okay, so here we go. Draw this line, leave extra space. First, I move down number 3. Negative 3 with 3, that's a negative 9. Okay? Add together 0 with negative 9 become negative 9. The next one is, I want to find this number. I take negative 3 times negative 9 is 27. Negative 26 add with positive 27 become number 1. Okay. Next one, I want the number right there. I take negative 3 times with 1 become negative 3. 10 with negative 3 is positive 7. All right. Next, I want the number right here. So I take negative 3 times with 7, negative 21. Okay. Add together, I come out negative 3. I want the numbers right here. I take negative 3 times with negative 3 is positive 9. 0 with 9 become 9. Okay. Next, I want the number right here. So I take negative 3, multiply with 9 is negative 27. Okay. So negative 6 add with negative 27 become negative 33. All right. I learned from my mistakes. So now I know this is equal f of negative 3. Okay. So I cannot miss my negative sign anymore. Negative 33 should be the answer. Okay. Voila. Put it in. Negative 33. Submit. I'm correct. Thank you so much, you guys.